Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to identify, mix, and treat any insects or pests that you might find in your lawn and landscape using Bayer Tree and Shrub 12-month systemic insecticide. So this is my crepe myrtle, and I am guilty of a poor cultural practice, and I chopped it down to the knuckles a couple months ago, which is also referred to as crepe murder. I did, I'll admit it. It just got a little bit leggy, the blooms were all over the place, so I chopped it off. And with that, we have new growth, which has attracted insects like whitefly. I've seen some aphids on it. So we're going to treat it with the Bayer Tree and Shrub with the active ingredient imidacloprid, and that way we can help get the pests and insects that are feeding on all of my crepe myrtle new growth at bay so that it'll bloom once the temperatures turn a little warmer. So I'll show you how to mix the Bayer Tree and Shrub. So I've got my bucket. It is a 2-gallon bucket, and this is our Bayer Tree and Shrub. To use the Bayer Tree and Shrub, you'll obviously want to read the label for best results depending on what you're treating. The benefit of the Bayer Tree and Shrub is that you can use it on trees, shrubs, plants, anything that you're not going to eat. So if you've got a vegetable garden or something else that's plagued by pests, you're not going to want to use this product on it. So I measured my crepe myrtle, and I figured that I'm gonna need about 3 ounces of the Bayer Tree and Shrub active ingredient. So to get started, I've already filled up my bucket with 1 gallon of water. You mix however many ounces it calls for with 1 gallon of water. You're supposed to shake it really good to activate the ingredients. And then you can use the measuring cup that comes with it to measure out 3 ounces. Alrighty, and then pour it in, and then stir. Alrighty, now that the mix is ready, we'll go ahead and prepare the area of the tree to apply it. It's suggested to pull the mulch back from the tree so that the Bayer Tree and Shrub can get down into the root system. And that's how this product works. The root system brings it up, and then it reaches the leaves through the trunk and so forth. So we'll pull the mulch back so that we can get to the root system. Now the benefit of the Bayer Tree and Shrub is that it is a 12-month systemic insecticide. So I'm only gonna have to do this application once every 12 months if it's even necessary. So now we'll go ahead and start pouring it around the base of the tree. And based on the measurements on the back of the label, I'm going to pour this entire bucket around the base. So there we go. So that's the whole bucket around the base of the tree. Usually I'll start seeing results in a couple days to a few weeks, but it truly does last 12 months. So that's the benefit of this product, is once you do it, you're done. So that's how to apply Bayer Tree and Shrub insecticide. Thanks for watching.